here at Dorval at about 4 o'clock p.m. This might be a maintenance of way train of some kind. Could be a rail grinder, who knows? Yeah, it's a maintenance of way train. So it looks like it's one of those special Herzog type locomotives, or it's actually a control car. And it's got some well cars with a excavator, or that's probably a grappler for ties. Very unusual piece of equipment. And this is especially weird. It's got a strange cowling on this locomotive. I'm not even sure what kind of locomotive that would have been. It's probably rebuilt from a switcher or something. Anyways, that's for MOW equipment. And it's probably going to go collect some ties or something like that. Anyway. I don't think it's going to come back or anything. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.